Hello, good afternoon, friends. First of all, myself Jagatpal, and I am we talk about today is trigonometry. So, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry basically it is a method to measure the height of a tallest building and to measure the width of a widest river. So, first of all, we talk about in this there is a Pythagoras, there is a tallest building, and in this tallest building, there is a height is h. Height is h, and this person c. There is a tallest building. There is a two method. First, it is manually to measure this height. Measure this height for we we have a inchy tap, and we can go to this point, and we manually measure. It is a very complicated method. Complicated method, but when we apply the Pythagoras, when we apply the trigonometry, we can easily measure the height of the this buildings or any white river, and this is white river. Okay, width. So first of all, we talk about the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is that basically it is applied right angle triangle. This is the condition given by Pythagoras. Pythagoras is a scientist, and Pythagoras theorem given by this scientist known as Pythagoras theorem. Basically, it is applied on right angle triangle, and there is right angle triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle, and B is the 90-degree angle, and the relation between the AC and BC height is AC square AB square plus BC square, and when we put AB is equal to 3 and BC is equal to 4, we can obtain the AC. 3 का square 9 and 3 square 9 and 4 square 16 means 20. Addition is 25, and after 25 the root of 25 is a 5. Then we can obtain this equation is 5. Then we can talk about trigonometric ratio, because Pythagoras theorem is applied on trigonometric ratio, and trigonometric ratio it is the applied on right angle triangle. This ABC is a right angle triangle, and B is the 90 and 90 degree, because the theta is represent just as an inclination of the any sides, and in front of theta there is known as perpendicular, and the theta side this there is this known as base, and this is known as hypotenuse, and we can represent the perpendicular by P, hypotenuse represented by H, and base represented by B. So we can represent the in different pens, different colors, and there is the some ratio sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, or cot theta. First of all, we define the sin theta. The scientists define the in trigonometry sin theta. It is the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means P upon H, means AB upon BC. So we can written in this P upon H. Okay, and cos theta it is the ratio of base upon hypotenuse, means BC upon AC, BC upon AC. Okay, and we can write this base upon hypotenuse. Okay, after we take out tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AB and base is the BC. Okay, then it is the ratio of perpendicular upon base. And what is the ratio? Cosec theta. What is the cosec theta? It is the ratio of sin theta. It is a definition of the cosec theta. To define the cosec theta, it is the ratio of sin theta. When sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so this value known as hypotenuse upon perpendicular, because it is a ratio of sin theta. Sec theta, it is the ratio of cos theta, and cos theta, it is the ratio of b upon h. B means base and h for hypotenuse, and the sec theta's ratio is cos theta. Cos theta's is b upon h, and means base upon hypotenuse, and sec theta is hypotenuse upon base. Okay, cot theta. What is the cot theta? Cot theta, it is the ratio of ratio of tan theta, and tan theta, it is the ratio of perpendicular upon base. So we can write that base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. This is a trigonometric. With the help of this trigonometric ratio, we can measure the height of any tallest building, and we can measure the width of any robust figure. Let us example. First of all, इसको हम given erase them. The example is that this building, this is the tallest building. Be known as this is the 3, and this is the theta, and this is the theta, and this is the 3. What is the this height? इस height को हमें नोन करनी है. Theta is the 60 degree. Okay, तो is known as h is measured. So tan theta, we can put upon the value tan theta. Tan theta is equal to tan theta perpendicular upon base, because in front side of theta is known as perpendicular. Perpendicular means root h, upon base means 3, and tan 60's value is h upon 3. Tan 60's value is sin 60 upon cos 60, means root 3 by 2 and root 1 by 2, means root 3, it is the value of sin 60, tan 60. So h upon 3, h value is 3 root 3. We take unit in meter, kilometer or meter. This we can take unit the meters. Okay, this meter. Okay, so this is the example of trigonometry when we measure the height of the any tallest building. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. Okay, thank you.